Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find location on Instagram stories. So if you want to know from which location you have posted that Instagram story on your account, so what you have to do to know that is just to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right, and then tap on the fifth option, archive. After tapping on archive, it will directly take you to your stories archive, but you can change it from stories archive to post archive or live archive by just tapping on that archive on the top of your screen. For now, we are trying to locate our location from our stories archive. So in the first option here, you can find all your stories, and in the second calendar like icon, you will find the date of the stories which you have posted. So you will know the date of the story which you have posted by tapping on this option. And in the third option, you can find the map icon where you can locate your location from. So what this does is you will know from where you have posted this story from. So what this does is it will give you the location of the place from where you have posted this story. So this is how to find location on Instagram story. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.